At the heart of strong companies is innovation. But innovation isn't just a product design or a product spec sheet. Innovation is something that must exist at the core. At QuietCool, integrity, diligence, and innovation are integrated into everything we do. It's who we are. These core values are what has allowed us to pursue our vision of eco-friendly whole home cooling and ventilation across the country. Since 2009, we've taken pride in improving people's lives by delivering unmatched comfort while saving money. Quality is never an accident. It is always the result of meticulous effort. From our leadership to our research and development team, to our incredible shop workers on the factory floor, to our quality control staff, all the way to our customer service team, we take pride in knowing every day that each fan we build will change people's lives forever. When you buy a QuietCool, you will know that the product you receive was engineered and crafted with the utmost quality by the best team in the ventilation industry. And every member on our team, located right here in the United States, has one thing on their mind every day. Whose life will we change today? That's what drives us. If it doesn't say QuietCool on the label, it's just another fan.